So to make a cable twist without a cable needle, what you're going to do is rearrange the order of the stitches on the needle, then work across them. To do a left cable without a cable needle, you start by slipping all the cable stitches over to the right hand needle. For a 2/2 cable, this means 4 stitches. So 2 front, 2 back. And then you take the left hand needle and cross it over the front to the first 2, or the rightmost 2, the 2 that are going to be the front stitches. They're going to cross over the front to the left to make the left cable. And now we're holding it all in your left fingers to just hold it all in place. Doesn't have to be too secure, just you just don't want things to move around. You're going to slip that right hand needle out from all 4 stitches very briefly, and then slip them right back into the back stitches. This is going to help you to flip the order of the stitches. So the front 2 are secured onto the left hand needle. Now the right hand needle gets pulled out from all the stitches until it's loose, and then go around the back, put it right back into those back stitches. So it's not too scary because you're kind of holding everything with your fingers, and you're just going out and right back in very quickly. Then you're going to take the back stitches and slip them onto the left hand needle. So now all of your cable stitches are on the left hand needle, ready to work. First the back ones, which we're going to knit. So these back ones might be purled if your pattern tells you to purl them. Back and back. And then the 2 front stitches, which we're going to knit across. There you go. Left twist, 2/2.